this is Lori at ardentdesigns.ca. In today's tutorial, we're going to be learning how to do this geometric line art using Adobe Illustrator. So let's open up a new document and we'll get started. Let's start by going to the rectangles tool. Click in here, right click, find the polygon tool and click to create a polygon. Let's press shift so that it goes flat like so. Select this thing and we'll align that on the artboard vertically and horizontally. So we don't want the fill, so let's turn that off. And the stroke, let's turn that on. Close that up. Let's go to Effect, Distort and Transform, and Transform. So we get this transform dialog box come up. Let's turn this down to 92. 92, and angle, we're going to go with 10 degrees. And copies, I'm going to try 40 and see how that looks. Let's click preview. And whether or not, you'll see that if we have this scales and strokes effect that it starts to taper off as we get in further. I'm going to turn it off for this effect. So let's press OK when you're satisfied with what you have. Now we can grab this little circle here and we can pull it in and we can give it a totally different look and feel. But I think for this tutorial I'm just going to keep it sharp. I think it looks better that way. So let's go to, over here we're still on stroke, let's go to the gradient here. And let's give this a gradient. Click on this stop here. And let's make this one a dark pink. And this one here, double click. And we'll choose a light blue for that. So let's grab the rectangles tool, click on the rectangle, and let's drag to create a large rectangle going over this graphic. Let's turn the stroke off, and let's turn the fill on. Let's turn it black, and then we will select it using the select tool here, right click, and we will go to Arrange, Send to Back. And that is it. That is how you can create this really simple graphic using Adobe Illustrator. And I'm actually, one more thing, I'm just going to turn this upright. I'll press shift to lock it in so the points are going up and down. I think that looks cooler, almost like you're going up a staircase and into a vortex. So if you liked the tutorial, please like, subscribe, find me on Facebook to get updates on new tutorials. And if you happen to do a graphic similar to this, feel free to tag me in some social media. I'd love to see what you guys are doing. And thanks for watching.